Hey there, folks. Michael here, coming to you from the beautiful state of Massachusetts. Today, I gotta share something that's been a game changer for me, the ultimate off-grid generator. Now, I'm not one to hype things up, but this has been a game changer. So, let's talk numbers. Before I got into the ultimate off-grid generator, my electricity bills were giving me a headache. I mean, who likes paying those crazy amounts every month, right? But ever since I jumped on board with this method, my bills have nosedived by over 70%. Yeah, you heard that right, 70%. It's like getting a raise without asking the boss. Now, you might be wondering, what's this ultimate off-grid generator all about? Well, it's not just a gadget. It's like having your own power superhero. I've got this compact, easy to set up generator that's been powering up my whole house, from the fridge to the TV, you name it. And can we talk about going green for a sec? This thing harnesses natural energy, and let me tell you, it feels good. I'm doing my bit for the environment, and that's something I never thought I'd say about my power setup. Installation was a breeze. I'm no tech genius, but the step-by-step guide had me feeling like a pro. And the best part? Maintenance is a cakewalk. Follow the routine, and you're golden. It's not a headache, it's a peace of mind kind of thing. Now, I know, you're probably thinking, is this too good to be true? Trust me, I had my doubts too. But here I am, a satisfied customer, grinning like a Cheshire cat every time I look at my reduced bills. Oh, and for those of you thinking about diving in, do it through the official website. I'll drop the link below. That way, you're covered with all the perks and bonuses. Plus, you get that sweet discount. To my fellow energy warriors, if you're tired of those jaw-dropping bills, check out the ultimate off-grid generator. It worked for me, and I'm not looking back. Catch you on the flip side, energy savers.